Authority Accelerator Review. Hey guys, this is Shan from IncaAcademy.com. Authority Accelerator Review. Now, in a nutshell, Authority Accelerator is a brand new package of training plus a done for you software that can help you to make money on local marketing niche. Now, it comes out from the local marketing genius Tom Gaddins and Nick Ponte in the terms of offline sharks, and it will be on a launch special discount during this launch time, and it will be launched on the Warrior Plus platform on the 8th of October. So, with that being said, I have got access to this Authority Accelerator. So let me tell you what it is all about. Now, as you can see, it has got a detailed course over here. So you can see I have completed about 60% of it, and it's a great training that they have. The training contains everything like how you can make money, the different strategies that involves in making money, how to generate leads, and how to convert your leads into your paying customers. Also, it talks about the big opportunity that is currently here with all this stuff going around, and more people are going online. So there is a huge market for you in terms of local market, because all businesses now needs to have an online presence. Now everybody is talking about it. So it's very important that you have something extra. You bring something new to the table, and that's where their software comes into play. This is called the Review Pops, as you can see over here. Now I have got access to this as well. And if I scroll down here, you can see I have created a Review Pops for my own website as well. So I have implemented that, and as you can see, it has got 13 views already. So you can imagine that it's working nicely. So let me show you what it is all about. So I have implemented this on my website, which is a demo website right over here on Pet. And if we scroll down here, then what we'll see is that on the left hand side, you can see this kind of this is what they call as Review Pops. That means the review pops up on your website, and all of these are verified reviews from your own Google business listing. Now if you click on more, it will give you all the detailed reviews, plus it gives you a call to action button, clicking on which you can get called to your business. Now you can imagine how much helpful this can be for yourself if you are a local marketer, or for your clients if you do market this to any local marketer. So this is going to be an amazing product, and I'll show you step by step during this Authority Accelerator review on how to set everything up. As you can see, I have set up everything on my website, so I know what I'm talking about, and it's a pretty simple thing to do. There is nothing like big jargons going in. It's a simple copy and paste that anybody can do. You don't need any technical expertise for that. And it's a set and forget method, because once you do install this one line of code into your website, no matter how many reviews are there, it will automatically fetch it from your Google business listing. You don't need to manually update ever. But to your clients, it will appear as if you are working round the clock for them. So that's how important this is. Now, with that being said, if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Authority Accelerator review, because what I'll do is that I'll first talk about the custom bonuses that I have in store for you if you decide to pick up Authority Accelerator anytime during this review or after watching this review. All that you need to do is go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which should look like this. And in here, you can find any and every information on Authority Accelerator. Now, I'm not going to go through that right now, because that is going to waste your and my time as well. What I'm really interested to show you is the kind of custom bonuses that I have in store for you. Now, there are nearly 200 plus softwares which I'm giving you away as bonuses, and most of them are related to local marketing apps. Now I have given you local agency apps plus lead generation bundle. I'm giving you email templates. I'm giving you how to acquire clients. Then I'm giving you different cloud-based software which can really help you to get more local marketing business as your clients. I'm giving you done for you agency kits which can brand yourself as a high established agency. Then I'm giving you Profit Maximizers, which is a 40 software plus training courses bundle. Then I'm giving you 5-in-1 agencies, client acquisition and monetization masterclass. This itself is worth quite hundreds of dollars. Then I'm giving you Traffic Domination Mastery Program. I'm giving you local agency apps. I'm giving you YT Rank Analyzer. I'm giving you Swift Funnels. I'm giving you Members Pro. I'm giving you over-the-shoulder case study on how to rank your gigs on Fiverr. I'm giving you done for you websites, 57 done for you websites websites on local marketing niches as well. Now there are again ton of software as bonuses, so it's not really possible to go deep inside each of them. But however, if you want to know more about them, everything is written on my bonus page. Please feel free to go down on the description link of this video and click the link to my bonus page, and from there you can check for yourself how premium my bonuses are. And as a part of my bonus package, I have given you some additional bonus package as well, in case if you do pick up any of the upgrades of Authority Accelerator. There are 75 different software with reseller rights to each of them if you do pick up any of the upgrades of Authority Accelerator via my link. So with that being said, again, everything is on my bonus page, so please feel free to check out my bonuses. And all of these are custom bonuses. That means these are not going to be available via anybody else's link. But all these bonuses are only going to be available until this countdown timer hits 0, because once it does, all my bonuses would expire. With that being said, now it's time for us to actually take a look at the Authority Accelerator demo. And once we come back, we'll be discussing the Authority Accelerator pricing and the funnel details of Authority Accelerator. So let's check out the Authority Accelerator demo. So as I already told you, this is the dashboard of the training course here. Now you can just go through this training. This is a very in-depth training that you can find over here. And this training should have alone cost you 27 bucks, which is the price of this training, plus this cloud-based software. Now, I'm not going to go through the training here because I can't reveal everything, but I'll give you a deep demo of the software and how to use it. So here you can see this is the software called the Review Pops. And as you can see, I have already created my listing over here. So in case if you want to create your listing or any of your clients' listing, all that you need to do is click on this add business, and in here you need to provide the name of your company. Say for example, mine is NKR Academy Digital Solutions, and as you can see, I picked it up and it has picked up all the data from my Google business listing. Now this is linked with the Google business listing, so please remember that you need to have a Google business listing in order to work with this. If you don't have, don't worry, I have covered that on my bonuses, so you are going to be covered with that as well. The next input you need to provide is your business email. You just need to type it in over here, and then you need to provide your first name, your last name, your title. You need to provide a email again. So let this be NKR Academy WB, and then you need to provide a phone number, and that's it. Once you have filled this one up, you just need to go over to the next step, and in here you can design how the review pops would look like. You can see here right behind my camera, this is how this will look like. So if you want to change it, say I want to change it to the left hand side so that it becomes more visible, you can see it has come over here. So that's how cool it is. Then you need to provide the URL of your site, that is the main site, your customer site or your own site, right? And then if you have any retargeting pixel, you just need to provide that over here. Once done, you just need to decide whether you are going to have a call to action or not. If you are going to have a call to action, then just turn this on and click on this edit. Then you can see here, you can set up the call to action like what you want. If you want a redirect, URL redirect, you can do that. If you want a click to call, you can just provide your number, and that's it. This is what the preview will look like. So if you want to change anything, you are free to do that as well. So that's how cool this software is. And once you are happy with this, you can also change the design. You can change the colors. You might have some client who are particularly restrictive about brand colors. So from there, you can change the branding as well. That's up to you. Then just click on next step, and that will take you to the code. Here you can see the code. All that you need to do now is copy this code, and you just need to go over to your WordPress website or any kind of website that you have. And in here, you can see I have already placed this in. So all that you need to have is a plugin. Now I'm using a plugin which is called the HFCM. Now this plugin allows you to add different header and footer JavaScript. Now you can find there are tons of plugins which are for free. All that you need to do here is paste this code over here, and that's it. Boom. All your site will have these review snippets going on. You can see this will come on the runtime right here. It has come over here. So if I click on more, I can see over here it comes up. Then I can click to call as well. So that's how this works, and that's how easy it is to install. Now, It's a one-time work. You can just set this up once on your client's website and it will keep fetching the newer comments as well, which is amazing. Now, with that being said, I also want to point out one thing is that it gives you this enterprise platform via which you can add different businesses. That is, you can manage all the business from your one login as well. So that's quite amazing. Now, on the front end, it's going to allow you 10 different review pops. That means 10 different clients you can manage with it. And there is an upgrade with which you can manage 10x more times. So I'll talk about that when I'll talk about pricing. But that was it for this Authority Accelerator demo. And I really hope that you guys have found it very, very interesting. And if you are really looking to pick up Authority Accelerator, then why not via my link? Because I have given you some amazing, insane custom bonuses, which you can find nowhere else. Once you feel the same, please go down on the description of this video. Click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, you can click any of these red buttons to go over to the Authority Accelerator sales page, which should look like this. And in here, you can just go through this VSL or you can go through the entire sales page. There are a ton of proofs and testimonials and everything over here. So you can go through this at your own time. And once you like it, you can pick this up to get all my bonuses delivered for free of cost. Now, all your bonuses would be directly delivered inside your Worry Plus account. Just go log into your Worry Plus account, go over to your purchases, go over to Authority Accelerator, and from there you can click on this blue button as you can see splashing on the screen to get hold of all my bonuses absolutely for free of cost. However, if you have got any questions regarding any of my bonuses, please feel free to reach out to us on our email ID or on our Facebook page. The link to both of them would be down in the description. Now, with that being said, now it's time for us to discuss the pricing that it has. The front end, which has everything that I've shown, is going to cost you only 27 bucks. It's an absolute no-brainer to have along with all my bonuses. This is a huge thing to grab. And this will allow you 10 locations, which means you can cater to 10 clients. And at $27, absolute no-brainer to have. Now you can go through all of these, what you are going to get on the front end. Plus there will be a bump offer on which you can get 5 top niches case study pack at 17 bucks only. And this is going to be a good one because all of these are quite in-demand local businesses like chiropractor is there, dentist is there, HVAC is there, landscaping business is there, roofer is there. So if you like to upgrade, you can do that. And on the bump offer, I have given you 20 different software with reseller access to each of them as bonuses as well. So if you wish to pick up the bump offer, please feel free to do that. The upgrade one is the sales and marketing pack plus done for you review pop templates. If you wish, you can pick this up, but I have given you a bonus which covers the agency kit. So maybe you can skip this, but what I recommend you to pick up is the 10x review pops upgrade because this is going to allow you to add more clients. You can have more review pops and you can install them to more clients and you can make more money, both to your local marketing business and on Fiverr or other freelancing platform as well. With that being said, it has two options. One is $199 directly or a 2-pay option at 99 bucks. So it depends on you. If you want to pick this up, you can pick this up and you can see here all the different things that you are going to get. Apart from 10x review pop, you are also going to get 1,000 Google My Business locations to the software, which lets you serve thousands of clients. So this is a good one to pick up. The next one is a 16-week Authority Master Track, and it's going to be priced at $699. Now, that's up to you. If you find there is a value, you may or may not invest on it, but that entirely depends on you. I'm not recommending this one. So to wrap up this Authority Accelerator review, according to me, you should definitely pick up the front end, which is absolutely no-brainer to have. And then you could invest on the OTO one, that's up to you, but you should definitely pick up the 10x upgrade because that is going to enable you to add thousands of businesses. And that means a huge income opportunity for yourself. So with that being said, it's a kind of wrap up for this Authority Accelerator review. And I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this Authority Accelerator review. If you have, then help me with a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Authority Accelerator review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. And don't forget to keep taking action, keep learning, keep rocking, and keep making money online. Signing off, Ishan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.